Now that we have our video and our audio in our timeline, let me show you how we're going to add a transition to this online video that we're editing on the cloud on WeVideo, and it's quite simple. Let's just go across our top dashboard, and we see that we have transitions where my cursor is, and I'm going to click transitions. Note on the left side of my screen we have three kinds of categories of transitions: standard transitions, animations, or textures. Let's just do a basic standard transition and a cross dissolve. I'm going to grab that cross dissolve. I'm going to drop it between two clips, and there is my cross dissolve. I can now lengthen it, and now my cross dissolve is about 2 seconds, 4 frames. We'll move our cursor back, hit play, and lo and behold, there's our cross dissolve. Now you've seen how to edit basic video, add some effects, add some transitions using the WeVideo online interface. Let's step back just for a moment and take a look at some of the options that we have in that whole area of cloud-based video and sharing. The first of these is the simple basic file sharing that probably many of us have done for any number of years, whether it's sending files by YouSendIt or basic FTP servers or Google Docs or anything like that that's just going to move files and data back and forth. We've been doing that for a long time, except now we're calling it cloud instead of web. We move to the next level where with Dropbox we're actually able to sync files such as this CCAR placement videos folder that I have, which just has a number of files that have been shared between the 3 people that are working on this particular project, and thus we keep in sync with each other and with all of our respective desktop and mobile devices. That really is very much the next level. We had that, alas, with iDisk, but it is no more. Thus, Dropbox is really taking the role of what iDisk might have done in the Mac environment prior to that. We're going to move to other levels now where we're actually storing files on the web, where we're actually encoding, where we're actually doing metadata and other such things. That's going to be, as an example of this, A-Frame. And we've moved over to A-Frame. A-Frame is going to allow us to ingest, transcode, store, secure, tag, search, and collaborate. A-Frame is going to take whatever video we throw at it, and in whatever codec and whatever format, limited only by our upload speeds. But then again, if you're limited by your upload speeds, A-Frame has a number of centers around the United States at this point. New York and Boston, Dallas, Los Angeles, Chicago, others are coming, where actually Service Bureau work will, for about 15 cents per gigabyte, upload the data for you on their 100 megabit connection. If you have a connection that's yourself that's going to approach that speed, you really don't necessarily need it. A-Frame will then allow you to transcode, will allow you to invite people into the project, will allow you to share that video, and then will allow any number of users that you designate to be able to have access to it. Yet another of these services are going to be TransXL.